Well guys, today is another garage build update. We're going to get some metal for the siding. So let's get the trailer loaded up and get on the road. So we've made it to the metal yard and we're going to get this stuff loaded up and back home. And then tomorrow morning, hopefully, we can get some of it installed. All right, so as you guys saw, we are all loaded up and headed back home. So on with the road trip. Well, we've made it back home, guys, as you can tell, and we did run into a little bit of rain on the way home, but there is the color of the metal, and I'm not sure if it's a good contrast to what you can see from the house or not, but I think it's going to match up okay. I can see off in the distance that we are going to be getting some rain here pretty quick, but that's supposed to happen overnight. So tomorrow, we're going to get started on some strapping, some soffit, and maybe even get some metal up on the roof. So stick around and come along as we keep building on this old garage. Well, it's now Saturday morning, and my buddy Ross should be here anytime. I'm going to get ready with getting the equipment all set up, the saw and all that stuff. And, well, the garage fared quite well last night, considering we had torrential rain and 30-mile-an-hour winds, or 50-kilometer-an-hour winds at one point. I did have to get up and put some screws into this leading edge up here on this end, simply because I don't have my cap on yet. We ran out of daylight on Thursday, and so I got up on the staging and moved that around, got some screws into it temporarily, just because I knew that the wind was coming, and it was coming out of the south, and right now I'm looking right at the sun and basically facing south. So we're going to get some strapping unloaded off of Ross's truck and get this gable end done, work our way around the building with the rest of the strapping, and then we can start working on some soffit. Well guys, we got lots accomplished yesterday, and we've got all the siding done. We got our ridge cap on, so there's no more gap between the two roofing panels. And well, we managed to get some siding up on the north side. So let's go take a look. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you'll see the updates on getting the siding done on this north-facing wall. And I'll just leave my Instagram handle right there. You guys can go over and check that out. That's where we upload all kinds of sneak peeks of upcoming videos. And as you can see right here, this wall is done from one end to the other, up as far as 10 feet. We still have to cut our metal and get our soffit in up here before we can really go any further. And I think today what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on getting this long, roughly 20-foot section of wall house wrapped, get the soffit F channel and the J trim in for the metal siding, and then probably what we'll do is we'll go over to the back side and do that long stretch over to the window. So it is just me and my wife working away at it today, so I don't know how far we'll get, but we'll bring you along for the ride. All right, as you can see, guys, we've got some more metal up, and we've also done some more wrap and soffit. Let's take a look. So we got the soffit started up along here, which involved finding out where level was compared to the edge of the eave. We took a level, went in, marked it. That's where we knew the top of the F channel that holds a soffit goes. So we ran that and we run it right over to here. We only had this much wrap left over from previous projects, which basically allowed us to do that whole wall and, well, pretty much 20 feet here. So I'm going to pick some more of that up tomorrow. That's where it's got us stopped, because I can't put any more F channel up without house wrap. I can't put any more soffit up without the F channel. There's a trickle down effect. But we did get half a dozen sheets or more of metal up on this side today, and we stopped short because this next piece is going to have to be cut. It's about 8 or 10 inches overhang, and I don't have my tools right here to cut it. So that's where we are today. And in the next video, we should have the whole garage wrapped, soffit, metal. At least that's the goal. We got some windows and doors to install. We hopefully get the garage doors installed by the time you guys come back and see the next video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this update on the Dream Garage build, and we're really looking forward to getting in here and getting things out of the weather. Dale the truck, the Mopar, the Yugo, which is kind of hidden over there. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to Olde Carr Guy. We got more project cars coming. Just got to get the garage built to do it. Stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you guys. God bless. Let's do it again real soon.